Get ready to supercharge your portfolio as we dive into the top 3 TSX stocks flashing bullish signals today, May 20, 2026, according to NorthFlow Finance AI. We're taking a close look at CSU.TO, a stock that's just triggered a very interesting signal, a moving average golden cross, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is a technical indicator that suggests a potential shift in the stock's trend. The current price of $27, $21, $25 is certainly worth noting. The golden cross signal is a bullish indicator, where the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, indicating a potential uptrend. With an RSI of 67.4, we're seeing a reading that's not quite in overbought territory, but it's getting close, suggesting that momentum is building. The volume surge of 97.1% is also telling us that investors are getting on board, and this level of conviction is crucial for sustaining a trend. This surge in volume is a clear indication that investors are taking notice of this stock. This level of volume change is unusual, and it may signal that institutional investors are starting to take a closer look at CSU.TO. A volume increase of this magnitude can be a sign of a broader shift in market sentiment. In recent market talk, there's been a lot of discussion around the tech and telecom sectors and how they're impacting the market as a whole. This conversation is particularly relevant to CSU.TO, given its position in the market. As we move forward, viewers should watch for whether this stock can maintain its momentum, and if it can break through key resistance levels. A close eye on volume will be crucial in determining the sustainability of this trend. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're taking a closer look at FWZ.V, a stock that's caught our attention with a golden cross signal on the moving averages, accompanied by a significant surge in volume. This is a powerful combination that suggests a potential shift in momentum. The stock is currently trading at $4.06. The golden cross signal is a bullish indicator, where the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, indicating a potential trend reversal. With the RSI at 37.9, we're seeing a neutral reading, neither overbought nor oversold, which suggests there's still room for momentum to build. The current price and RSI level indicate that the stock may be poised for a potential upside move. The volume surge of 47.7% is also a notable development, as it indicates strong investor conviction and interest in the stock. This surge in volume tells us that investors are taking notice of the stock's potential and are starting to take action. This volume change is unusual and could signal that institutional investors are starting to take a closer look at the stock. The significant increase in volume may be a sign of growing interest and conviction among investors. The company's recent announcement of a private placement of shares to raise up to $61.5 million is a significant development that could impact the stock's outlook. This move could provide the company with the necessary funds to drive growth and expansion. As we move forward, viewers should watch for the stock's ability to hold above key levels and for any further signs of institutional interest. The stock's performance will be closely tied to the company's ability to execute on its growth plans, so it's essential to keep an eye on any updates. Now let's move on to our next pick. We're looking at Westaim, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker WED.V, and it's flashing a very interesting signal, a MACD bullish crossover accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is our third and final stock for today, and it's definitely worth a closer look. The MACD crossover is a powerful indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge, it can be a very compelling buy signal. The current price of $23.50 is sitting pretty, with the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, at 52.5, which puts it firmly in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold. This suggests that there's still plenty of room for momentum to build, and with the RSI in this range, we could see a further push to the upside. The volume surge of over 436% is a huge vote of confidence from investors, indicating that there's a lot of conviction behind this move. This level of volume is unusual and tells us that investors are really starting to take notice of Westaim. This volume change is a major red flag for investors who might be thinking of betting against Westaim, as it suggests that the smart money is piling in. This kind of activity can be a sign of institutional interest, which can be a powerful driver of a stock's price. Recent earnings reports have been making waves, with Westaim's fourth quarter results beating expectations and showing a lot of promise for the future. This is definitely a stock that's on the move, and with this kind of earnings growth, it's no wonder we're seeing a bullish crossover. Viewers should be watching for a potential breakout above $25, and a continued increase in volume will be key to confirming this trend. A pullback to the $20 level could be a buying opportunity, so keep an eye on that. That wraps up our final pick for today. Don't forget to subscribe for daily TSX signals. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, this is not financial advice.